Hey guys, my name is Cathryn.celeste and I'm a model here in Miami, Florida. Today I'm going to be showing you some of my favorite workouts to do at home. I'm going to be doing mine with some ankle weights, but if you're a beginner, don't worry about it. You can do it without the ankle weights. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start by doing some frog thrusts. So what you're going to do is you're going to sit on your belly, well not sit, but lay down on your stomach and have your feet in a diamond position. And you're going to pulse your butt up and go down. So we're gonna pulse for 5, hold for 5, and do that same process again. Are you ready? Let's get started. So hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time and hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How are you guys feeling? Let's take a quick stretch. All right, so the next one that we're going to do a hip thrust and pulse. So I'm going to have you guys lay down on your backs. Make sure your back is completely on the floor, hands on the floor, feet parallel. And what you're going to do is you're going to thrust your hips up to the ceiling and then put your back all the way down to the floor. Make sure it touches this mat, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to hold for 10 seconds and then pulse for 10. And then go back down. Are you ready? Let's get started. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and pulse. 3, 5, 7, 9, 10, and hold. 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, and pulse. 3, 5, 7, 9, 10. And last time, hold. 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, and pulse. 3, 5, 7, 9, 10. How are you guys feeling? Okay, let's move on to the next exercise. Take a cup of water if you need. We are going to do the dog pees. I like to call them that because it reminds me of a dog peeing on a tree. So what we're going to do is you're going to bring your knee up to your chest, out, and you're going to bring that leg forward, back in, and to your other knee. So it's going to be this motion. All right, so we're going to do that for 30 seconds. I'm going to start the timer. Ready, and let's start. So in, out, back down. Make sure you're really squeezing your core when you're doing this, okay? You're gonna feel your glutes burning, especially your left leg right now. Five seconds. 2, and 1. Okay, shake it out. And let's do that on the other side. Ready? So in, to the side, out, back in. Seven seconds. And take a breather, get some water if you need to. Let's move on to the next exercise. So we're going to do a kickback pulse. So what you're going to do, I like to keep my hands on the floor on the mat. I'm going to keep this out. Pulse. 4, 5, back in. Pulse. 2, 3, 4, 5, back in. Okay? So we're gonna go ahead and do this for 30 seconds. Let's start the timer and begin. Pulse 2, 3, 4, 5. Back in. Pulse 2, 3, 4, 5. And in. Pulse 2, 3, 4, 5. Back in. Pulse 2, 3, 4, 5. Back in. And in. And in. And in. Let's do that on the other side. 4, 5. And in. And in. And in. And in. And in. You got it. And in. And in. Awesome job. Okay, so now we're going to do some kickbacks with a little bit of a squat pulse twist. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna squat, kick your leg back. Squat, kick your leg back. Squat, and kick your leg back. We're gonna do this for about 30 seconds. Okay. You ready? Let's go. Down and up, down and up. Keep pushing. And up. And up. Down and up. Okay, 30 seconds. Now we're going to do side walks, okay? So ready? Let's go. Step. Down. Down. Awesome. So for our last exercise of the day, we're going to do sumo squats. I'm going to have you guys go all the way down and really squeeze back up. You ready? Let's get started. And up. I want you guys to go all the way down so that we focus on the upper part of our butts. Remember, this is about quality, not quantity. We're gonna do that one actually again for another 30 seconds. I like to thrust my hip forward just so I can really feel my glutes squeezing. I know that it's working. 10 seconds. 2 and 1. I hope you guys enjoyed the workout today. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.